Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Audrey. I make beauty videos here on YouTube, so if you're interested in that type of content, make sure you subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at AudreyVictoriaX. It is so hot where I'm filming right now, so if I look like I'm sweating, it's because it's hot. Anyway, today I am going to be showing you guys how to get rid of strawberry legs. Strawberry legs are just the dark dots on your legs that resemble the skin of a strawberry. Sometimes it's referred to as chicken skin. And it's basically just hair follicles or enlarged pores that contain a trapped mixture of oil, dead skin, or bacteria. And yes, I have experienced strawberry legs before, but I have completely cured it. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how I did that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I start off by cleansing and moisturizing my legs. So first, I gently cleanse my legs using this Dove body soap. And the key word here is to be very, very gentle, because if you're too harsh, then you're going to irritate your skin and only make your strawberry legs worse. Then I dry my legs and I apply jojoba oil on them. And I really try to deeply massage the oil onto my legs because this can help to loosen any of your pores that are clogged that often lead to strawberry skin. Now this may be confusing, but I do all of this about an hour before I actually take a shower where I shave my legs. And I do this because oftentimes shaving over dry skin can actually cause strawberry legs. So if I make sure that my legs and hair are as soft as possible, then that's going to prevent any irritation that can lead to strawberry legs. And the reason why I wash my legs before moisturizing them prior to taking a shower and prior to shaving is because, as I previously mentioned, strawberry legs are often caused by clogged pores. And if you apply oil over dirty legs, then that is literally just going to clog your pores even more. All right, so it is getting so hot in here. I'm just going to put my hair up. Oh, this is so much better. Okay guys, an hour after cleaning and oiling up my legs, I then get in the shower to do my regular shower routine, like washing my hair, washing my face, shaving, etc. But before shaving, I always wash and exfoliate my legs. And by the way, whenever I am taking a shower and I'm gonna shave my legs, I always make sure to use lukewarm water. First of all, if the water is too cold, then I'm gonna be shaving over goosebumps on my legs, which has actually caused me to get strawberry legs before. And then if the water is too hot, then I could potentially shave over really dry and just like irritated skin from the hot water, which could make my strawberry skin worse. So as I previously mentioned, I wash my legs with this Dove body wash. Now I know I did wash my legs earlier with this body wash, but I am just washing them again gently. Strawberry skin is often caused by a buildup of oil and bacteria, so I just try to make sure that my legs are as clean as possible. Having said that, the soap I use is formulated for sensitive skin, so although I do want my skin to be really clean, I don't want to use a soap that is too over drying, like Irish Spring. That may dry out my skin, which may irritate my skin and thus make my strawberry skin worse. Another huge tip for you guys is to not use any type of loofah when you're cleaning your legs before you're going to shave. And this is because the loofah can actually irritate your skin. And if you're going to be exfoliating after, you definitely don't want to be using a loofah and then an exfoliant, because that may make your strawberry skin more apparent and just worse. So after I cleanse my legs, then I move on to an exfoliant. I really like the Tree Hut exfoliants. They're super inexpensive. They're sold at like Target. You can get them off Amazon. I'll link this one below. This is the Lemon Blueberry Tart Shea Sugar Scrub. That is a tongue twister. And basically I just make sure to thoroughly exfoliate my legs after I've cleansed them and prior to shaving. Now, as I mentioned, this step is crucial because exfoliating your legs for you could be the key to getting rid of strawberry legs. So as we all know by now, clogged pores on your legs lead to strawberry skin. And what is one way to unclog those pores? Exfoliating. Some of us just need a good exfoliant to get rid of strawberry legs. Everyone's different. but this may be your answer. But the key here is to not exfoliate too often, because that can actually end up irritating your skin. So the only time that I exfoliate is right before I'm about to shave my legs or shave any other part of my body. Thus, I exfoliate once a week or once every week and a half. The next step is just as crucial as exfoliating, and that is to shave using conditioner. And I always get the question of, are you talking about the conditioner for like the hair on your head? Yes, literally a conditioner for your hair. That is what I use to shave. For me, this is the most important step after exfoliating, because if I don't shave with conditioner, and let's say I shave with shaving cream, then it's just going to dry out my skin, and that is going to make my strawberry skin so much worse. And sometimes I will actually have hair grow back, and there will be like a scab formed over the hair follicle if I have shaved with anything other than conditioner, because it just dries out my legs too much. So obviously by using conditioner, it's going to soften the skin on your legs, and it's also going to soften the hair on your legs, so that way when you're shaving, it's a lot less abrasive. So another reason why shaving with conditioner is so crucial for me, and it will be crucial for a lot of you guys, is because for those of us with really thick leg hair, shaving with like a shaving cream or just like regular soap is just not going to do the trick. You need to use something that is going to actually soften the hair on your legs, especially if it's really thick like my hair is. Let's say that the hair on your legs is super thick and you're shaving with like a drying shaving cream. You're probably not going to get a close shave, and that is just going to make your strawberry skin even more apparent. And also the regrowth is not going to be as itchy. You won't be itching your legs as much, you won't be irritating your skin as much, and it's just really helpful in getting rid of strawberry legs. So of course I just apply the conditioner on my legs, and then I shave using the Bic Soleil razors. These are my favorite razors. I've been using these ever since I was in high school, so like over 10 years. And while there are a lot of people who say that they also really like the Bic Soleil razors, I've also read some comments of people saying that these razors didn't really work well for them. Because everyone's hair is different, everyone's skin is different, I can't recommend one razor that will work well for everyone. All I can say is definitely don't use a razor with two blades, because that's just not going to give you a close enough shave, and that is not going to do anything to get rid of your strawberry legs. If you use a cheap two-blade razor, you're probably going to be left with stubble on your legs, and that's only going to make your strawberry legs worse. Also, I always shave with the water off in the shower. First of all, it saves water, it's good for the environment, but also just in relation to strawberry skin, if you shave with the water on, then you're potentially going to rinse off a lot of the conditioner that's on your legs, and that's problematic because then you could potentially be shaving over dry skin, which will certainly not help your strawberry leg situation. Okay, so the next step is one of my favorite steps that I do in like my body care routine, and this is my DIY body butter. So after I've shaved, I've rinsed off the conditioner, I'm out of the shower, I've dried off my legs, I then moisturize my legs thoroughly using this DIY shea butter / jojoba oil body butter. This is intense, this is heavy duty, and if strawberry skin for you is intensified by dry skin, then this may be a lifesaver for you. And also, not that it matters what guys think, but I have used this before, and Edwin has commented, Edwin is my boyfriend, he's commented on how smooth my legs look and feel. So that is kind of just like an outsider's proof that this really does work. To make my DIY body butter, I use 3/4 cup of shea butter and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of jojoba oil. To be honest with you guys, I don't use exact measurements. I kind of just eyeball it as I go, but that's just like a guesstimate for the measurements for my body butter. I mix this together with a hand mixer until it looks and feels like butter frosting. And And then I move this into a small mason jar, as you guys can see, and I'm able to use this for about 2 weeks. The key here is to use this, well, for me at least, after showering on my legs, regardless of if I have shaved or not. If I don't consistently moisturize my legs every single day, then my strawberry skin only gets worse. And also, using this on my legs every day has helped to keep my legs incredibly smooth and soft. In combination with all of the other steps that I told you guys about, just related to keeping your legs moisturized, by the time I go on to shave my legs, they feel like baby skin. There's just no way for them to get irritated or red. There's no way for the pores to get clogged or anything like that. And also, shea butter has a shelf life of 2 years, but I did have one person comment on a video previously that I made where I showed you guys my body butter recipe, and someone said that whipped shea butter has a shorter shelf life. So I've tried to do some research. I haven't really been able to find much, but just to be on the safe side, I only make enough so that it lasts about 2 weeks. So if any of you guys know anything about the shelf life of whipped shea butter, please let me know in the comments below, because I definitely don't want to be using this if it's expired. And also, I store this in a dry, cool place. Now that is my full routine to get rid of strawberry legs, but I do have 3 general tips for you guys to keep in mind when you're caring for your skin to help get rid of strawberry legs. So the first tip that I have is that shaving should be the very last thing that you do in the shower. And this is because when you're in the shower, the warm water is obviously going all over your body, and it's going to help to soften the skin and hair on your legs. If you shave right when you get in the shower, then your legs are not going to be as soft as they would be had you waited until the very end. Waiting until the end of the shower to shave ensures that my legs are as smooth as possible, which reduces irritation when shaving. My second tip is to store your razor out of the shower whenever you are not shaving. So basically, the reason behind this is that when your razor is in the shower, if you're not using the razor, if someone else is taking a shower or whatever the case may be, if the razor is just sitting there and there's water pouring in the shower, then your razor is potentially going to get rusty a lot faster. As I've been saying throughout this entire video, from my experience, irritation when shaving only contributes more to strawberry legs and just makes the strawberry legs look worse. So if you're shaving with a razor that is rusty, for me at least, that always irritates my skin, and I've only done it when it was unbeknownst to me that the razor was rusty until I took a second look. It never ends well, and that's just so dangerous. So to avoid that, store your razor somewhere where it's cool, room temperature, low humidity, so that it stays, nice and dry. Yeah, so I just store my razor in the cabinet in my bathroom, and that's totally fine. And then whenever I'm gonna shave, I just bring it in the shower with me and then put it back when I'm done. And my last tip is the frequency of shaving and how that contributes to strawberry legs. So I have found that when I don't shave often enough, when my hair regrows after I've shaved, it is so incredibly itchy. Somehow that gives me strawberry legs. I think maybe it's because my pores are exposed for the first time, and maybe after weeks of not shaving, the hair follicles started to build up bacteria. I don't know the scientific reason. And then if I shave too often, that's just as bad, because I'm literally going to be shaving stubble. Sometimes I will actually bleed. The shave will not be as close. My strawberry legs may look more apparent, and I often get those scabs on the hair follicle or on the pore, which intensifies my strawberry skin times 100. As I mentioned previously, I shave once a week to once every week and a half. Everyone's hair grows at a different rate, so I can't give you guys a solid recommendation for how often you should be shaving to avoid strawberry legs, but just my general rule of thumb would be to shave your legs once you've passed the stubble period, but not to the point where your hair is like super long where you can comb through it. All right guys, so this has been how I get rid of strawberry legs. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you guys have any other tips that I did not cover in this video, please leave them in the comments below. If you guys would like to see a video discussing how I shave down there, I will put that video right here. And also, if you guys would like to see a video where I show you guys my pregnancy pamper routine, I will put that video right here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you, and I will talk to you guys next time.